Welcome to your personalized tour of Positive Physics or STEM. Here are the physics options: velocity, acceleration, free fall, projectile, introduction to forces, friction systems, diagonal forces, incline, circular, universal gravitation, momentum, torque, energy, rotational kinematics, rotational dynamics, springs and oscillations, and then things that you wouldn't need. So let's just take a look at what is in here. Since you're doing rotation, what is in the rotational kinematics? So you have modes. You have a work mode, an extra practice mode, and an assessment mode. I've never used the assessment mode. Usually primarily just the work mode. And what happens is you have some review, embedded math, inquiry. Those are review, real math type things. But here's what you want to see. Preparation problems. So in the preparation problems, it starts with a video lesson about how to answer the questions, and then you can see it's kind of cut off, but there are 4 practice questions right here. And there, the blue is a variable, so every student gets a different set of variables, and if they click reload, they'll get a different one. So if they want to come back and try it differently. So those are some of the basic things that it asks about it. Some of it's just, did you read the question? Fill in the variables you know, but I love how it lists the variables. Then back to the dashboard. Under this, there is a section that has challenge and multiple choice challenge. And so you can see that that says multiple choice challenge. And so then it asks you about a scenario, and it allows you with a drop down menu to get instant feedback. So let's say that I put in the answer as B, and I'm going to check my answer and it's wrong. So I get that instant feedback. What do I see as a teacher? Well, I would see that I could go here and I could see my student scores. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you that because my students don't have any scores, but there you see my students and each of their scores. Did they do it? That would give me a completion score. Or did they get it right? That would give me an accuracy score. I can put them into groups. So let's just go back and let you see some of the other features in rotational kinematics. Complete problems 3. We'll give you 4 problems, a video on how to do it, angular speed, converting the units, how long does it take, so on. So they're all variations on similar things, and just gives them practice. I don't know to what level that would be effective for you, but there you go. So you've seen that, you've seen that. Now let me see how you can set up your class. So you can set it up. That's not it. User logins. Nope, not that either. Manage roster. I thought that was where it was. Sorry. Oh, I can assign my students to sections. And I can reset the sections. I've already set them, but you can add a section and assign your students to each of the sections. And then you can flip-flop between the other courses if you were using it for chemistry and assign them different sections. Now, it said that multiple choice challenge was a bonus, so I can unlock that and I can make it required. And I don't care if they do. I'm going to remove the review. I don't care that they do that. I am going to make sure that it will unlock and not be bonus. So there, it's mandatory that they do those. That's bonus if they want to. I can remove them. It won't count towards their final average. Or I can lock it so they can't do it yet. And I'll have to unlock it when I'm ready for them to do that section. I lock some things down. Yes, you have to do it, but no, you're not doing it yet. We're going to do that on review day kind of assignment. So there you go. I've talked enough, and that gives you an idea. 4 minutes.